In this video, we're gonna show you how to access Robinhood text documents. Find your text documents on Robinhood. So along the very bottom there, you will see multiple options. Of the far right, you see that person icon. So you are going to click on that person icon, and from here you will be brought to another screen. The top right, you will see those three lines. Click on those three lines. From here you get a bunch of options. Again, the third option there, you see statements and story. So you are going to click on statements and story, and you are going to scroll down a little bit, and at the very bottom there you will see your statements or your text documents. So I am going to click on the documents, and from here you will find all of your 1099. So you are going to download each and every one and then show this document to your accountant. So that's how you access Robinhood text documents.